All right, so get this. Imagine a Bloomberg terminal,
Yeah.
but for crypto.
Okay.
And it's got this AI assistant, like a total trading whiz.
Interesting.
Yeah, and that's what we're diving into today. And it's not just some futuristic fantasy.
Right.
We've got actual design docs,
Wow.
like behind-the-scenes notes, even video clips from the developer himself.
It's like peeking right into the workshop
Yeah.
where the whole future of crypto investing is being built.
Totally. And what's really cool is
Yeah.
this isn't just about crunching numbers.
Okay.
This system is designed to, help you understand the why behind the market moves.
I see. So not just what's happening,
Right.
but the reasons behind it.
Yeah, and how you might be able to act on that information.
That's bridging the gap between just data and actionable insights.
Okay, so let's unpack this a bit.
Sure.
The first part of the system is called the Crypto Intelligence Application.
Okay.
Think of it as your crypto research command center.
Right.
And the design docs talk about a user-friendly React front end? Yeah.
A powerful Flask backend.
That's an interesting choice of technology.
Yeah.
Like React is known for speed and responsiveness, so it makes sense for a smooth, intuitive user interface.
Makes sense.
And then you've got Flask. It's Python-based, so the developer has the flexibility to handle those complex data operations
Right.
and integrate with powerful APIs like OpenAI.
And speaking of features, this app can pull up price trends and volatility for any crypto you choose.
Oh, wow.
You can see those support and resistance levels visually.
So you can literally see where the price has struggled to break through in the past.
Yeah. And you can compare how different coins are performing, like all side by side.
That's crucial for making informed decisions.
Right.
Instead of relying on hype or just your gut feeling,
Yeah.
you're seeing the data laid out in front of you,
Yeah.
helping you spot potential buying or selling opportunities.
Right.
But hold on.
Yeah.
Wouldn't all this be a bit overwhelming for someone new to crypto?
That's a great question. Like, how does the app make all this information digestible for different experience levels?
Yeah, we'll have to dig into the user interface details
Okay.
a bit later to see how they handle that.
All right.
But here's where things get even more interesting.
Okay.
There's a placeholder in the docs for a forecasting feature.
Oh, wow.
Imagine if they can pull that off.
Yeah. AI-powered forecasting could be a game changer.
Right.
But it's also a slippery slope. There's a difference between identifying potential trends
Yeah.
and making those concrete predictions.
Exactly. And I'm curious how they approach that ethically.
Yeah.
But before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's talk about the AI integration
Okay.
that's already in place.
Right.
This isn't just about presenting data. It's about using AI to, to make sense of it all.
From what I've seen, it seems like the app leverages the OpenAI API,
Right.
which opens up a whole world of possibilities.
Yeah.
They could be using it for natural language processing to analyze news and social media sentiment, maybe even predictive modeling to identify those emerging trends.
Okay, so less about telling you what to do
Yeah,
and more about giving you the intel to make smarter decisions yourself.
exactly.
Now, are you ready for a sneak peek behind the curtain?
I am, yeah.
We've got these video clips from the developer,
Okay.
and his enthusiasm is contagious.
I'm always fascinated to hear
Yeah.
directly from the creators,
Yeah.
their vision, their challenges, those aha moments.
Yeah.
They often reveal insights that you wouldn't find in any design doc.
In the first video, cryptointelligence.mp4,
Okay.
he walks us through some of the key elements.
Right.
Data sourcing is crucial.
For sure.
He emphasizes they pull data from CoinGecko, which is a well-respected source,
Yeah.
but they also have a separate tool for validation.
That's reassuring, especially in the crypto world,
Yeah.
where data integrity can be a concern.
Exactly.
Having those multiple layers of verification
Right.
means you can be more confident in the insights the app provides.
He even gives us an example of how the app provides insights,
Okay.
showing an ETH price prediction that was, in his words, kind of close.
Interesting.
It's still in development,
Yeah.
but you can see the potential.
For sure.
And he also walks us through the interface,
Okay.
showing how you can filter by different time frames,
Okay.
day, week, month, year,
Yeah.
and compare different coins side by side.
So it seems they've put some thought into making the data digestible.
Yeah, and throughout the video,
Yeah.
he keeps hinting at the future.
Okay.
More AI integration, even more powerful insights.
I see.
You can really feel the excitement building.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, ready to shift gears
I think so.
and explore the AI trading bot part of this system.
Absolutely. The concept of an AI trading agent is fascinating.
Yeah,
It pushes the boundaries of what's possible in automated trading.
right.
But it also raises some important questions.
Like what?
Like about control, transparency, and risk management.
And that's exactly what we see in AATradingBot.mp4.
Okay.
He introduces this concept of triangular arbitrage, which sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple.
Yeah.
Imagine you're at a currency exchange, right? And you notice that you could buy Bitcoin with Ethereum,
Okay.
then trade that Bitcoin for Litecoin, and finally swap that Litecoin back to Ethereum for a slight profit.
Interesting.
That's the essence of triangular arbitrage,
I see.
exploiting tiny price differences for gains.
Okay.
And this AI bot is designed to do it automatically,
Wow.
at lightning speed.
So instead of constantly monitoring those exchange rates and manually executing trades,
Yeah.
the bot does all the heavy lifting, scanning for these opportunities 24/7.
And the best part is, he emphasizes that the user is still in control.
Okay, so it's not like handing over your entire portfolio to a robot.
Right.
You're saying, I still get to set my own risk tolerance
Exactly.
and make the final call on trades.
Exactly. He even shares this great anecdote in the video. Oh.
He's showing us the bot in action.
Okay.
And right there during the recording,
Yeah.
it flags a potential arbitrage opportunity.
Wow. Talk about a real-time demonstration
Right.
that really brings the concept to life.
Yeah.
Shows how quickly things can happen in the crypto market.
His vision for the future is super ambitious too.
Oh, yeah.
He talks about expanding the bot to work across multiple exchanges,
So not just one.
not just one,
Okay.
and even dynamically managing your assets to maximize returns.
That's a bold vision.
Right.
It raises a lot of questions.
Right.
Could a bot really manage a diverse portfolio across multiple exchanges effectively? What about security and regulatory compliance?
And here's where he gets really smart.
Okay.
He ends the video with a direct request for feedback.
Interesting.
He wants to know what features investors like you
Yeah.
would want in a tool like this.
That's a smart move. Involving potential users in the development process
Yeah.
can lead to a more user-friendly and effective product.
Yeah.
All right, so we've seen the nuts and bolts of this system.
Yeah.
How it combines crypto intelligence with AI-powered trading.
Mm-hmm.
But let's zoom out for a second
Okay.
and think about the bigger picture.
All right.
What are the real-world implications
Yeah.
of this kind of technology?
It's all about access and empowerment.
Okay.
Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their financial background
Yeah.
or tech skills,
Uh-huh.
can have these sophisticated tools at their fingertips.
Yeah.
Tools that were once exclusive to Wall Street,
Right.
now available to everyday investors.
It's like leveling the playing field.
Exactly. Giving everyone a chance to play the game.
So this app, if it lives up to its potential,
Yeah.
could disrupt the traditional financial landscape.
Possibly.
It could empower individuals
Yeah.
to make more informed decisions,
Right.
potentially shifting the balance of power away from those institutional players.
Possible.
Okay, but let's play devil's advocate for a moment.
All right.
Isn't there a risk
Yeah.
that this kind of technology could
yeah.
make the markets even more volatile?
Hmm.
What if everyone's using AI bots to trade?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that create chaos?
That's a valid concern.
Right.
And it's something we need to think about carefully.
Yeah.
The potential for increased volatility is definitely there.
Uh-huh.
But AI is just a tool.
Yeah.
It can be used for good or for bad.
Right.
Ultimately.
Yeah.
It's human decisions that will determine how this technology shapes the future of finance.
So it's not about the tech itself,
Right.
but how we use it.
Exactly.
Kind of like the early days of the internet.
Oh, yeah.
People were worried about misinformation,
Mhm.
echo chambers, all sorts of things.
Yeah.
And those concerns haven't gone away completely.
Right.
But the internet has also connected people in incredible ways,
For sure.
democratized access to information, and sparked amazing innovation.
That's a great analogy.
Yeah.
The parallels are definitely there.
Mm.
The potential for disruption.
Uh.
The need for responsible use.
Right.
It's a brave new world, and it's up to us to navigate it wisely.
All right, let's get practical for a moment.
Okay.
Let's say you had access to this technology right now.
No.
What would you analyze?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
I'd be fascinated to see how AI could help me identify emerging trends in the crypto space.
Okay.
Maybe uncover hidden correlations between different assets or detect early warning signs of market shifts.
So things that are too subtle for the human eye to catch.
Exactly.
Yeah.
AI has the potential to process vast amounts of data
Yeah.
and spot patterns that we might miss.
Yeah.
It could help us see the bigger picture,
Uh-huh.
make sense of the noise.
And on the trading side,
Yeah.
would you trust an AI bot to make decisions for you?
I'd approach it cautiously.
Okay.
Remember, even the most sophisticated AI is only as good as the data it's trained on,
Right.
and markets are complex, unpredictable things.
Yeah.
I'd start by using the bot as a research tool, gradually increasing my comfort level over time.
So a gradual approach.
Yeah.
Starting with research
Mhm.
and then maybe dipping your toes into the automated trading waters.
That's my thinking. AI is a powerful tool,
Yeah.
but it's not a magic bullet.
Right.
It can enhance our decision-making, but it shouldn't replace human judgment entirely.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So as we wrap up this part of our deep dive,
Oh.
what's the one key takeaway
Yeah.
you want our listener to walk away with?
This technology has the potential to be truly transformative.
Okay.
But it's not just about the technology itself.
Right.
It's about how we use it, how we adapt to it,
Ugh.
and how we ensure that it benefits everyone.
Empowerment with responsibility.
Yeah.
I like that.
And remember, this is just the beginning.
Right.
The world of AI and crypto is evolving rapidly.
Yeah.
Who knows what incredible innovations are just around the corner?
It's an exciting time to be alive, that's for sure.
It is.
And a little bit daunting, too.
Absolutely, but that's what makes it so fascinating.
Yeah.
We're on the cusp of something truly groundbreaking,
Uh-huh.
and it's up to all of us to explore it with open minds and a healthy dose of curiosity.
Well said. And with that, we'll wrap up this part of our deep dive.
Okay.
But don't go anywhere.
All right.
We'll be right back with a final thought that will leave you pondering the future of finance.
Sounds good.
So we've seen the nuts and bolts of this system, how it combines crypto intelligence with AI-powered trading.
Yeah, it's been quite a journey so far.
Right. We've gone from those nitty-gritty details of how it works
Yeah.
to some pretty big-picture questions about its potential impact.
Absolutely. And now, as we reach the end of our exploration,
Yeah.
I think it's time to leave you with a final thought.
Okay, a question that will linger in your mind
Exactly.
long after this deep dive is over.
Think about it. If this technology
Yeah.
really does democratize access to these sophisticated financial tools,
Like we've been discussing.
like we've been discussing, if it empowers individuals to analyze markets, identify opportunities,
Yeah.
and even execute trades with AI, helping them along the way.
What does that mean for the future of investing as a whole?
Yeah, will we see a power shift
Right.
from institutions to individuals?
Could the traditional financial landscape be disrupted
Potentially, yeah.
as more and more people gain access to these powerful tools?
It's a possibility.
Will we witness a new wave of tech-savvy investors
Right.
empowered by AI and driven by data?
Or will the old guard adapt
Mm-hmm.
and hold on to their dominance?
These are questions we can't answer for sure today,
Not yet.
but
No,
they're definitely worth thinking about.
they really are.
They challenge us to consider how technology, finance,
Yeah.
and individual empowerment are all intertwined.
So as you go about your day, scrolling through the news, making your own investment decision,
Keep this question in the back of your mind.
what does the future of investing look like? In a world where AI and crypto intelligence are increasingly accessible,
And maybe even more important.
what role will you play in shaping that future?
That's all for this deep dive.
Thanks for joining us.
Keep exploring, keep learning,
Yeah.
and keep asking the tough questions.
Until next time. All right, we're back,
Back again
ready to wrap up our deep dive.
into this world of crypto intelligence and AI trading agents. Yeah,
It's been a journey, right?
definitely has.
We've gone from those like real nitty-gritty details of how the system works
Yeah.
to those pretty big picture questions
Yeah.
about its potential impact.
And now I think as we reach the end here,
Okay.
it's time to leave you with a final thought, something to ponder.
Okay. A question to linger
Exactly.
long after this deep dive is over.
So think about this. If this technology really does what we've been talking about,
Okay.
democratize access to these sophisticated financial tools, you know?
Yeah, if it empowers individuals to analyze markets, identify opportunities, even execute trades with AI helping them along the way.
What does that mean for the future of investing as a whole?
Like, will we see a power shift?
Right. From institutions to individuals.
Right. Could the traditional financial landscape be disrupted?
As more and more people gain access to these powerful tools.
Exactly. Will we see a new wave of tech-savvy investors
Right?
empowered by AI, driven by data?
Yeah. Or will the old guard adapt and hold on?
Right. Those are the questions.
These are the questions we can't answer for sure today.
Oh, not today, no.
But they're worth thinking about.
Absolutely.
Really challenge us to consider how technology, finance, and individual empowerment are all intertwined.
So as you go about your day, scrolling through the news, making your own investment decisions,
keep this question in the back of your mind.
What does the future of investing look like in a world where AI and crypto intelligence are increasingly accessible?
And maybe even more importantly,
what role will you play in shaping that future?
That's all for this deep dive.
Thanks for joining us.
Keep exploring, keep learning, keep asking the tough questions.
Until next time.